Body signs and symptoms, lower back ache. Lower back ache. Acute pain in the lower back is due to either sprain or invasion of cold. If it is due to sprain, the pain is intense with pronounced stiffness and is improved by rest and aggravated by movement. This pain is due to local stagnation of qi and blood. If the pain is due to invasion of wind, of cold, it is worse with rest, usually worse in the mornings and alleviated by gentle movement. Chronic lower back ache is due to a kidney deficiency, in which case the back ache is alleviated by rest and aggravated by overwork and excessive sexual activity. In many cases of chronic lower back ache, there is a combination of the above three factors. For example, causing a chronic dull ache predisposes the patient to invasion of cold or sprain and therefore to periodic acute attacks. Pain of the lower back extending to the upper back is usually due to a combination of kidney deficiency and liver qi stagnation. Treatment: acute backache from sprain and or blood stagnation. Bladder 60, ashy points, lower back with cupping. Bladder 25, backache from cold. Bladder 23, bladder 26, bladder 40, and moxa. Chronic backache from kidney deficiency, bladder 23, bladder 26, and kidney 4. Kidney yang deficiency. Chronic lower back ache that may be unilateral, bilateral, or on the midline and that may recur in pause. Feeling of weakness and cold of the lower back, better with rest and worse with exercise. Weak and coldness, feeling cold, bright white complexion, tiredness, lassitude, abundant clear urination, urination at night, impotence, decreased libido, pale and wet tongue, deep weak pulse. So acupuncture, kidney 3, REN 4, bladder 23, kidney 7, and DO 4 and moxa. Kidney yang deficiency. Chronic lower back ache that may be unilateral, bilateral, or on the midline and that may recur and bounce. Feeling of weakness of the lower back, contraction of the muscle of the lower back, better with rest and worse with exercise. Thin body, weakness, dizziness, tinnitus, hardness of hearing, poor memory, night sweating, dry mouth and throat at night, and constipation. Dark scanty urine, tiredness, slight anxiety, normal colored tongue without coating, floating empty pulse. So acupuncture, kidney 3, REN 4, bladder 23, spleen 6, and REN 12. Sprain of the back. Acute severe backache that may be unilateral or on the midline. Rigidity of the back with inability to bend forward. Pain in the leg. So acupuncture, small intestine 3, bladder 62. Extra point, CGs, hindi ko na mabasa. Basta yung extra point po yun. And so yung extra point, matatagpuan po siya sa do channel below L5. Then bladder 23, bladder 26, and tapping. Cold numbness in the lower back, acute or chronic backache that is worse in the morning and better as the day progresses. Says better with light exercise and worse with rest. Feeling of heaviness, feeling of cold. So acupuncture po natin yung extra point. So sa channel po ito below low L5. Then bladder 23, bladder 26, and tapping. Blood stasis in the back. Chronic severe unilateral lower back ache that improves with light exercise and worsens with rest. worse in the morning, but also at night. Rigidity of the back, pain centered in a small area, then the tongue is purple and the pulse is wiry. Acupuncture, yung extra point, matatagpuan po siya sa 2 channel, below L5, bladder 23, bladder 26, and spleen 10, and bladder 17 and cupping. Invasion of wind cold. Sudden backache on the midline extending from the occiput to the lower back. Aversion to cold, fever, cough, itchy throat, slight breathlessness, stuffed or runny nose with clear watery discharge, sneezing, occipital headache, body ache, thin white tongue coating, floating tight pulse. So clinical note, in chronic lower backache, there is always kidney deficiency. And according to the author, she always used the bladder 23, back of kidney. So lower backache. Sprain acute lower backache ameliorated by rest. Invasion of cold, acute lower backache aggravated by rest. Kidney deficiency, chronic lower backache ameliorated by rest. Kidney deficiency and liver stagnation, chronic lower backache extending to the upper back. Thank you po for your attention.